Hi friends! Recently I was invited to give a guest lecture to first-year computer science students about how artificial intelligence is reshaping the world. What stood out was how many of them felt both excited and unsure about the future. They knew AI mattered, but weren't always certain what they should focus on or how to prepare for what's coming next. That conversation inspired this video. AI is moving fast, faster than any major technological shift before it. Whether you plan to become a developer, an engineer, a researcher, a designer, or something entirely different, AI will shape your career. So, in the next few minutes, we'll look at what every student should know about AI in 2026 and beyond, where the technology is heading, the skills that matter most, and how you can start building your path today. Let's begin. Today's AI is already powerful. We now have models that can understand and generate multiple types of information, like text, images, audio, and even code. This capability is known as multimodality. Moreover, open source efforts are making advanced AI more accessible than ever. So today, AI can create and analyze text, understand and generate images, assist developers in writing code, and support complex data analysis. These are capabilities that were researched only a few years ago and are now common. This is quite remarkable. As we look beyond 2026, a few developments are going to shape how we work with AI every day. First, we'll see AI agents capable of performing multi-step tasks. Instead of prompting step by step, you'll simply describe the goal, and AI will plan, execute, and adapt on its own. Think of it as moving from a helpful tool to a true collaborator. Next, personal AI trained on your data. Not a generic model, but one that understands your history, preferences, habits, even your work style. This raises new possibilities, along with new questions around privacy and control. We'll also have smaller models that run locally on your devices. That means more privacy, less dependence on the cloud, and fast performance anywhere, even offline. This will make AI far more accessible. Finally, we'll see faster and deeper customization for organizations. Companies will adapt models to their domain in hours or days, not months, enabling more specialized knowledge and much more accurate results. In short, AI becomes more personal, more autonomous, and much closer to where you are, both technically and practically. So yes, as mentioned before, AI agents will move beyond answering questions. They will plan tasks with certain levels of autonomy and work through them interacting with tools and applications. This will change how teams operate and speed up many workflows. Personal AI systems will learn from each user. They will understand your preferences, store context, and provide relevant support. This will change how we work and study. Edge AI brings intelligence directly to your device. It will improve speed, reliability, and privacy because data does not always need to be sent to the cloud. Organizations will increasingly build customized models tuned to their data and workflows. This will make AI more effective for business needs and will increase demand for professionals who can build and adapt these systems. During my recent talk, I emphasized the point that I believe is more important today than ever. Tools change, but the way you think stays with you. Many students worry about which programming language to learn first or which AI platform is the right one. The truth is, those things evolve constantly. The language that's popular today may fade tomorrow. What matters far more is developing a problem-solving mindset, the ability to break challenges into smaller pieces, reason about them, and build a structured approach to solutions. If you can do that, you can adapt to whatever tools the future brings. Hand in hand with this is data literacy, learning to work with information, understand what it represents, question its quality, and draw meaningful conclusions. Knowing the basics of programming helps, not because any language is special, but because it teaches you how to think in systems and structure logic. And finally, building a general understanding of how AI systems behave, what they can do, where they fail, and how to use them responsibly will serve you no matter how the technology evolves. So the long-term advantage isn't memorizing tools, it's strengthening the foundations of thinking, understanding, and learning how to learn. Strong technical foundations will help you go further. Key areas include algorithms, data structures, basic linear algebra, probability, and cloud concepts. These are not barriers but building blocks. There's a broad ecosystem of tools worth exploring as you begin working with AI. Python paired with Jupyter gives you a simple, flexible environment for experimenting with ideas and building prototypes. Deep learning frameworks like PyTorch or TensorFlow let you train, fine-tune, or customize models. Platforms such as Hugging Face make it easy to access pre-trained models and test concepts quickly. If you are interested in running models privately on your own machine, tools like Ollama make that simple on personal devices. And when organizations need similar capability, but on a larger scale, Foundry Local provides a platform to run models locally within enterprise environments. The landscape is growing fast and the list of tools keeps expanding. The key takeaway is not memorizing specific names, but becoming comfortable exploring and evaluating whatever comes next. Projects help you learn fast, since hands-on practice is essential. Remember, the best approach is to start small. A chatbot, a document Q&A system, or an image classifier are good options. Even a simple AI agent is possible with today's tools. So this journey begins with foundations. Those core concepts will support you no matter how the tools evolve. Spend time experimenting with different technologies. Explore them, observe how they behave, and let your curiosity guide you. As you learn, start building small projects. They don't have to be fancy, they just need to help you practice connecting ideas with real outcomes. When you share your work with others, you get new perspectives and grow faster. And most importantly, commit to lifelong learning. AI will continue changing at an incredible pace, and your greatest advantage isn't what you know today. It's the mindset that you'll keep learning tomorrow. Staying curious and adaptable is what keeps you moving forward. Responsible AI matters, and it matters a lot. It's about understanding fairness, transparency, and safety in the systems we build and use. AI isn't something we create once and forget. It must be evaluated continuously to make sure it produces good outcomes and truly benefits humanity. As emphasized before, it is the mindset that quietly makes all the difference. Curiosity comes first, because every breakthrough begins with someone asking a sincere question. Adaptation is key. AI will keep changing, so must we. It's less about knowing everything and more about learning fast and staying open. Collaboration helps. None of us shape the future alone. We build on each other's strengths. And progress happens step by step. You don't need to master everything overnight. Move forward with intention, and the future will meet you halfway. As you look ahead, keep a few simple truths close. AI will touch every career, not just tech. Whether you are designing buildings, discovering medicines, or launching a startup, intelligent tools will be part of your toolkit. Foundations stay important. The fundamentals of thinking clearly, asking the right questions, and understanding how systems behave will outlast every new trend. Build small projects. You learn more from one tiny imperfect experiment than from 10 hours of reading. Stay hands-on and start early. No one becomes ready first, you grow by beginning. The future rewards those who take the first small step. Thank you for watching this lecture. If you'd like to continue exploring topics like this, from AI's newest breakthroughs to practical guides you can use right away, feel free to subscribe. I create content to help you learn, stay curious, and grow. Would love to have you along for the journey. Take care, and I'll see you next time.